Okay, question 11. Here is a coordinate grid. Write down the coordinates of point M. So M is 8 across, 1 up. We would just simply write 8, 1. Remember, you always go along the corridor before up the stairs. 8 across, 1 up, 8, 1. Now LM, this is very important you read this part right. LM is the shortest side of an isosceles triangle. Let's remember what isosceles means, okay? So an isosceles triangle is a triangle, okay, where two of the sides are the same, okay, and the other side is different. Here is another example of an isosceles triangle. Here, something like that, where these two sides are the same and this one's different. So that's what isosceles means, two sides are the same. Mark with the cross X the point N so that LNM is an isosceles triangle. So L to N to M gives you isosceles. So hopefully you can see that N must lie halfway between L and M. It must be, because look, in both these two cases here, this point here must be halfway along here, such that this point to this point is the same distance as this point to this point. So we know it's along there. The question is, where do we mark our cross? Right, so we could mark our cross anywhere along here. So maybe there. Anywhere along that line, in theory, we could mark our cross. Now, the key is, it can't be here, because then LM would be the longest side of our triangle, because LM is equal to 6 long, and that's definitely not 6, so it can't be there. There to there, LM would still be the longest side, so it can't be there. Now this is 6 long, this is just over 3, so it can't be there either. This is 6 long, we can't tell for sure how long that is, but it looks like it's just over 4 long, okay, so it can't be there either. And then, could it be here? The question is, it maybe could be there. It's not easy to tell, but if you left your X at any of those points, you'd be absolutely safe to know that it's definitely more than 6 long that is there. So I would leave my points anywhere along one of those two, and I would just join it in like that. Now obviously you can get your ruler out in the exam and measure that that is more than 6, just to be sure, because you want it to be more than 6 along the base.